Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at Fastflow, and in this video we're going to be using the Fast Member Quick Start Wizard to basically create all the pages, products on your membership site. And if you remember, we've got a blank WordPress site, so we've got our theme installed and everything's pretty much empty, ready and waiting for content to be added. And we also mapped out our membership site. If you remember, we had 3 free content pages, and then we also had 3 paid content pages, but I've actually added a few more here, so we've now got 12 paid content pages, which makes more sense for the purpose of a monthly paid membership, so that each content page will be dripped out over the course of a year. And I'll show you how to do the drip feed settings in another video. So let's go into the Quick Start Wizard. And what we're going to do is run through these 4 tabs here and basically input the details that we've got in our membership site funnel map. And we're going to put them in these 4 tabs. So we know that we've got 3 products and they're membership site products. Now, when we're selecting membership or multiple products, we can change these anytime afterwards. So it doesn't really matter if we select the single price product or the subscription product. So in this, we're just going to select the subscription product. We're going to call this first one the free product and just put a 0 price. Then we're going to call this the monthly, and this will be, say, $19 a month, and then the yearly is $199 a year. So we'll change that to 1 year. So now we want to look at the content pages. And if you remember, we've got basically 3 content pages for the free product. And then we got 12 content pages for the monthly and the yearly. So the monthly and the yearly are going to share these pages. So for now, I'm just going to put 12 on the monthly. And the yearly, we're just going to leave at 1. So we don't really need to create any pages for that. And we're going to link these created pages here to the yearly product, and I'll show you how we do that in a separate video. So let's move on to the pages. So here we've got 1 sales page for all membership levels or separate pages, and we can have 1 thank you page for all levels or separate pages. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create separate sales pages for each membership level, and inside the products, we're actually going to change the order of the sales pages so that some become thank you pages, so that we can have an upsell and basically create a membership site funnel. The thank you pages, we're just going to stick to 1 for this, okay? The affiliate system, I'm going to switch this on so we can set these commission and a cookie. We're just going to leave that as the default. And we're going to choose the payment methods. Now you'll see 2 options for PayPal here. The first option, you just enter the email address of your PayPal account. This is the older method. This will basically create a product within PayPal when you send the order data to PayPal. It's how PayPal used to work. A more reliable and more integrated method is actually the PayPal Smart buttons. And we've actually added in the details in the settings here. So there's a separate video that shows you how to add the PayPal Smart button settings. So once those are added, you can select the PayPal Smart here, and then we're ready to use the PayPal API and the Smart buttons. Coupons we can enable for a discount, and then we're just going to create products and pages. And you can see that the Quick Start Wizard has done its thing. It's giving you basically a checklist of everything that's we're going to be running through in these videos. So we've got our 3 products that have been created, and then a list of the content pages. So there's 3 pages for the free. Monthly pages, there's 12, and then there's a yearly page 1. And then the sales and sign up pages, thank you page, affiliates details, and some more information about protected content, buttons, etc. So these next videos that you're going to see will run through these in more details. So let's take a quick look at our products that have actually been created. So we can access them individually from here, or we can just quickly go to the products list. and you'll see there's 3 products here: the free, the monthly, and the yearly. And we're going to run through the settings in more detail in another video, but I'll quickly show you the monthly settings. So you can see here we've got the sales page, the thank you page, the login page, and the members home page. And then we've got the subscription options just below that, and we can change the membership type. So as I'll show you quickly on the products list. As this free product was created by putting a 0 price, we can actually come in and just change that to be a free product, so it's a bit more of a dedicated setting for that. But again, we'll go through these settings in more detail in another video. Let's quickly have a look at our membership site. So if you remember, it was pretty much a blank site, and now once we've run this quick start wizard, we can see that we've now got pages in this navigation. And if we visit, say for example, the sales page for the monthly product, you'll see that we've actually got some details about the product. So we've got a name of the product, price here, and a button, and a box for the coupon code. And basically these have all been added with shortcodes, which we'll cover in another video. And then if we look at the login page, you can see that when you're logged in, you won't actually see the login form. But if we visit this as a non-logged in member, there we can see the login form as well. And then if we look at the affiliate center, we'll have some details about the affiliate, so that you can see affiliate links have been added for each product. These have all been added with shortcodes, so basically these can be formatted any way you like. So let's have a quick look at this page, for example. So you can see that the block has been added within the Gutenberg editor, and it's basically just using the classic block, so that we know that the block here is classic, and the content has been added as text basically. So we can access any of these shortcodes from these. Pop over here. We'll soon be adding some blocks for specific functions, but for now we're just using shortcodes. And basically we can come in and reformat this. So I'll do this in a separate video, but this shortcode here basically generates the affiliate link. You'll see on the, and if we go back to the site, you'll see on the sign up page that we've got a sign up form. If we edit that page, you'll see that the shortcode has been added for the sign up form here. And you'll see a little bit of text here as well. You may want to remove that text so that you basically have a clean page. And there you go, there's a sign up form for your product. And if we quickly come back into the site and actually have a look at the protected content, if we go to protected content, and you'll see for each product, so for example the free product, there's 3 pages that have been added plus a members home page. And then the monthly, you'll see there's 12 pages that have been added plus the members home page. So if you remember in our funnel map that there's a members home page, and then there's the content pages that are linked to from that page, and again for the paid product, these content pages. And then if we go back, we'll see that the yearly product doesn't actually have any pages added to it apart from that one page. So in another video I'll show you how to add these. It's pretty simple, but it's better explained in a more detailed video, so I'll see you in one of the other videos.